the community makes a mod to add a feature, say control support. Control support. I'm not sure what that is, but I can say in general, like when it comes to stuff like that, we don't really look too much as to like what community are doing when it comes to us planning what we do. When it comes to modding specifically, because we have a huge list of things we want to do already, and sometimes when we go through this list, we'll be like, is there a mod for this? And then we'll look at it and like, oh, that's cool. And then we can confirm or deny whether or not we think it makes sense in our game. Sometimes we'll look at like the implementation of the mod and be like, this isn't a good way to do it, but we like the principle of it. And sometimes we're like, okay, cool. This confirms that we didn't like that idea, so let's not do that. Controller support, not control support. Okay. Well, if it's controller support, I think that's something we want to do at some point, hopefully, fingers crossed. And at the moment you can have control support if you use the Steam mapping thingy. I haven't used it, so I maybe I should try it out so I can explain this better, because right now I'm just deferring people to that and I actually don't know how it works. But there is some. Oh, actually I want to go to Sulfur before I do this. But there is there's a Steam controller mapping. If you Google Satisfactory controller support Steam mapping or something like that, because Satisfactory control Steam something, there is a mapping of it that you can utilize. Come at me, bro. Where you at? Like there are people saying they've had full like utilization of controllers if they just look into it. But native controller support is something I think we would like to have as well. It depends on what the state of the game is when we're like finished with it, because I think that's going to be like 4.1.0 if anything.